What did the US-Iran deal actually say? Iran has already agreed not to produce or acquire a nuclear weapon under a draft memorandum, while the US is still shooting down drones headed toward the Strait of Hormuz. So the deal and the fighting are moving at the same time. The clearest new detail is the draft memorandum itself. According to a senior Iranian official, Iran agreed not to produce or acquire a nuclear weapon. The same official said Iran would immediately reopen the S, though the full term was not completed in the available report. That makes the deal look less like a finished piece and more like a fragile framework with key details still being hammered out. The timing is what makes this story explode. While talks were still underway, the U.S. said it shot down drones heading toward the Strait of Hormuz overnight. On 12 June, an American official also said U.S. forces shot down 2 Iranian drones as they allegedly tried to attack commercial vessels passing the Hormuz. That means the corridor that carries global shipping is still being treated like an active battlefield. Even after the Sunday signing, the pressure did not disappear. A source cited by Reuters says Iran allegedly launched several drones toward commercial vessels transiting the Strait of Hormuz after the memorandum was signed. That leaves a basic question hanging over the deal: whether any paper agreement can stop attacks fast enough to calm shipping lanes before the next escalation. The bigger risk is that this is not just a US-Iran story. It is still unclear whether the Houthi movement, which reached a ceasefire with the United States in 2025 over Red Sea shipping attacks, is willing to confront U.S. pressure directly now. Add Israel's urgent evacuation warning for 20 towns and villages in southern Lebanon over Hezbollah, and the region looks wide open to spillover while diplomats try to lock in a deal. Right now, the deal matters less for what was signed, and more for whether it survives the next incident. Iran has signaled a nuclear commitment in the draft text, but U.S. interceptions, reported drone launches, and unresolved pressure on the Houthi and Hezbollah fronts show the region is still one move away from a wider clash. The takeaway is simple. The US-Iran memorandum is real enough to outline limits on Iran's nuclear path, but it is not yet strong enough to stop the fight around the Strait of Hormuz. Watch the drones, the shipping lane, and whether regional armed groups keep testing the pressure.